Want to know how to optimize your video in using TubeBuddy? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your TubeBuddy application. So we have also created similar videos regarding TubeBuddy, which is available on our channel, so make sure to watch it. So now once everything is done, you should be under this interface right here. And now once you're under this interface, here, make sure you're on the contents of your YouTube studio. And now once you forward on any of your video, here you should be seeing this TubeBuddy icon with a drop down, just like that. And here optimization is all about using tools. So for example, let's head on to end screens. So you can just simply apply templates of end screens in order to make your video more growing, let's say linking various growing videos. So next is SEO. So you can just simply select SEO Studio in order to open SEO, just like this right here, and it should give you a proper title and description improvement as well. So with that, you can also see thumbnail generator, title generator, and thumbnail analyzers, as you can see right here under miscellaneous. So you can just simply select those as well in order to optimize the video. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.